Hello guys, this is Vikash Kaushik, and today in today's videos we will going to see how we can manage our cost in AWS. So like a lot of the beginners actually start their cloud journey from AWS, and because it's something AWS provides 12-month basically free uses with some limited access. So users actually start using those, but sometimes what happens, users skips that what is the limit to use a particular service. They don't look into that, and what they do is they just creates a lot of services which actually cross that particular limit till till that limit. If after that they starting get the cost. So what happens is, user should know that how we can just see the cost, what the cost coming, and we by seeing the cost we can just scale down the resources which is not needed, or if it is needed, like if you are willing to pay amount, then like you can just efficiently manage the resource. It's not that you have created and you don't know what's going on, and after a month you are getting a bill. So that's not a good thing. So I would say, um just create just look into the cost explorer, which I will be going to share you soon, and then you can easily manage your cost. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to just come and log into this AWS console, which I have already opened. Now what you have to do, click cost. You will see this cost explorer. You have to come here. Now, why you will come here? So as a beginner, you don't concentrate on the cost part, but what happens? You see the bill is coming in your email that from AWS, the bill is generated like $1 or something, and then you think like, what happened? Like it's a free tier, and why I'm getting the cost? Then you just start seeing in there and here, and you see that it just shows this $2 to current monthly cost or forecasted cost. So you don't get an idea like what's going on, where I have to see, and there is like it's like little complex to understand what's the going on in the cost. So what you see this, and maybe you see this thing. So yeah, you are getting that for 20, like last day you are getting like 0.110.0.1 or something, right? But now you want to see which resource is consuming so that you can delete it, right? So let's click on wave in a cost explorer. So here also you are not getting any idea like what's going on. So what you can do, you can just click on the users type. Here we have the users type, and from here we can understand that what is adding the cost here. So you can see here it's EBS volume uses GPT-2 is something costing us around 101.0.10, and there is one more thing, RDS, relational database service, which is charging us around 0.01. So here you can, if you are getting a cost from some other services, you are going to see here, and you can understand what's going on there. You can just go there. Let's say I'm seeing this EBS volume GPT-2. So what I will do, I know that it's coming from EC2, because volumes just create in the EC2 service. We have the volume section. I can see there is a one volume which is a 30 GB size, and it is costing around $0.10 per day. So actually it is worth it for me, because this VM has some content which I need. Otherwise, what I could do, that I just delete this, and after that I won't see this cost. So this is worth it. Now, like this is something I need, that's why I'm not deleting it, and I'm fine with this cost, whatever is coming. But in your case, if something is costing a lot to you, then you should delete it if it is not needed, or you should consider it if you are willing to pay. Okay. Now we have one more thing, right? This RDS. Let's go to the RDS. If we can find something that what is costing us there. So if I come here, it's taking a little bit time. What I can do is I can check the databases. I'm not running with any database. I don't have, uh, I don't see anything here. But anyways, it is costing something here. right? Maybe this can be something costing us. Let's delete it. Maybe I had created something, failed to delete this, cannot delete this. Da, 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 da. I'm not sure what's going on there. Let me try deleting single, but no, I can't delete it. Subnet groups. See, I think there is something which I have to remove first. Yeah, maybe now I can delete it. Let's see. I cannot delete still, so it says invalid DB parameter group state. See if we have something else which is there. No, we cannot. Let's see single. Da, da, da. I haven't see anything. Custom engine version. I don't see anything here. Here as well. Proxy, reserved, backup. There's, there's query, cancel, database. I can't see anything, man. So maybe there is something which is I'm not aware of, but it is anyways costing 0.01. So I'm not that concerned. Maybe this is something I need to take a look. What's going on there? How can I delete it? Maybe reset, save changes, cancel editing. I don't know exactly what why is happening here. So yeah, this is how you can just manage your resources. So you saw, right? Like here there is something I have to look in, but otherwise if I remove that volume as well, I will see just $0.1, which would be eventually it will be a less than $1 monthly. So that is something okay with for me. I'm anyways using credits which doesn't cost me. So consider attending some of the other events which AWS host, maybe we monthly AWS or some days, AWS these days, those days. So just enroll there, register yourself, attend that, and you will get an opportunity to get $24 at free. And you can just redeem it, and you can manage the cost with those. If you are just a beginner, if you just play around the different services in AWS cloud. Yeah, so that's all from my side. I think you understood well. You just can play around it. Even one more thing I want to like tell you, like you can just see if you are getting a particular cost for this June only, you can set this timing, you can just apply it, and you can just see for this days, like, and accordingly you can manage. So that's one thing. You have this other filters as well, according to your requirement. You can just use that, and you can just it will help you to reduce your cost and understand what's going on in your account and what is costing you. Okay, that's all from my side. This is Vikash Kaushik. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope we will meet soon. Thank you. Bye.